Watch through to the end to find out how much this repair might cost. If your Ford F-150's glove box is tough to close, looks crooked, makes odd noises, or just won't stay shut, you're not alone. These issues can be really frustrating. Sometimes it feels like the glove box is defective or poorly designed, but often it comes down to a few specific parts or adjustments, and your glove compartment door is tough to latch, looks crooked, or just seems off. This is for you. Here's what's going on. Ford released a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB 19-2341, also indexed as NHTSA 10168756. This isn't a recall, so you won't get a letter in the mail, but it is official guidance for dealers. So which trucks are affected? Again, that's 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 Ford F-150S. Now, the TSB basically tells Ford techs to start with some simple checks. Remove the glove box rubber bumpers and see if it latches fine. If it does, put the bumpers back and keep the glove box closed for a day. Sometimes they just need to set. Next, they'll check if the storage tray's rubber mat is out of place, especially on the right side. If it is, they'll just reseat it. Then, they'll make sure the latch strikers and hinge pins are fully snapped in. If all that still doesn't fix it, only then do they swap out the glove box door. What's important, because this is a TSB and not a recall, it's only covered under your regular warranty. If you're out of warranty, you might have to pay out of pocket. I've seen owners online saying their dealers did these fixes with mixed cosmetic results, and a few handy folks have even tried adjusting the mat and strikers themselves. But be careful if you go that route. So ask your dealer about Ford TSB 19-2341 if you're having glove box problems. It's a quick check, not a major repair. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know if you've run into this issue in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Wondering about the cost? If your Ford F-150 is still under warranty, the repair should be free. If not, glove box repairs at a dealer usually range from $100 to $300 depending on parts and labor. Always ask your dealer for an estimate before any work is done.